In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost productivity with Trello keyboard shortcuts. If you use Trello daily to manage projects, tasks, or content calendars, these shortcuts are going to save you a massive amount of time. Instead of constantly clicking around with your mouse, you'll be able to move faster, organize better, and stay focused on your workflow. And quick tip before we start, if you ever forget a shortcut, just press the question mark key in Trello to see the full list instantly. If this video helps you work faster, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. Let's jump in. Let's start with navigation shortcuts. These help you move around your board without touching your mouse. Use the arrow keys, left, right, up, and down, to move between cards. This is perfect when reviewing tasks quickly. Once a card is selected, press Enter to open it. When you're done, press Escape to close the card or cancel any action. If you're working inside a long list, you can press Home to jump to the top of the list or End to jump straight to the bottom. These simple navigation shortcuts alone can dramatically reduce the time you spend scrolling and clicking. Next, let's talk about creating and editing cards. Press N anywhere on the board to instantly create a new card. You can immediately start typing the card title, press Enter to save it, and you're done. If you want to quickly rename a card, hover over it and press E to edit the title. After making changes, press Enter again to save. This is much faster than opening the card just to change the name. When you're processing multiple tasks or doing a weekly planning session, these shortcuts make adding and updating cards feel effortless. Now let's look at organizing cards. If you need to move a card to another list or even another board, press M. A Move menu will pop up, allowing you to choose the destination without dragging and dropping. To archive a card instantly, press C. This is extremely useful during cleanup sessions when you're clearing completed tasks. If you want to quickly assign a card to yourself, simply hover over it and press the spacebar. That's it, you're assigned. No clicking into the card, no searching for your name. When you combine Move, Archive, and Self-Assign shortcuts, managing large boards becomes much more efficient. Now let's talk about labels and filtering. Labels help you visually organize your tasks, and you can access them instantly by pressing L on a selected card. From there, you can add or remove labels in seconds. Even faster, you can press the number keys 1 through 9 to apply or remove specific labels, depending on how your board is set up. This is incredibly helpful if you use color-coded systems for priority or task type. To filter cards across your board, press F. You can then type a name, label, or keyword to narrow down what's visible. This is perfect when you want to focus only on your tasks or a specific category of work. Finally, let's cover dates and search. To quickly set or edit a due date on a selected card, press D. You can then choose the date and hit Enter to confirm. And if you need to find something quickly, press the / key. This opens the search bar so you can instantly search for cards, boards, or members. When you're working on large projects, this shortcut alone can save minutes every single day. So those are the essential Trello keyboard shortcuts that will dramatically boost your productivity. The key is to practice using them consistently until they become second nature. Start with navigation and card creation, then layer in organizing and filtering shortcuts as you get comfortable. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.